Assalamualaikum and good morning. In this video, I will demonstrate on how to simulate diode clipper circuit using LTSpice software. Clipper is an electronic circuit that clip or cut off portion of its input signal above or below certain threshold level. Consider a clipper block diagram. Assume the input signal is sinusoidal. If the bottom signal is clipped, then the circuit is operated as negative clipper. Next, assume the same sinusoidal input signal. If the top signal is clipped, the circuit is operated as positive clipper. In this video, we will focus on the positive clipper. This is a positive clipper circuit. The circuit consists of AC source, diode, and resistor. Launch LTSpice software. Save the file as positive clipper. Search voltage element. Press Escape to deselect element. Select resistor. Search diode. Use Ctrl R to rotate. Add ground nodes. Wired the circuit. Click the voltage source, then Advanced. Set amplitude to 10 volts. Frequency to 1 kHz. Right-click the diode. Select 1N for 148. Right-click the resistor. Set to 1 kΩ. Next, we set labels. Click Simulate, and then edit simulation command. Stop time equals 0.02 seconds. Click Run. Mouse over to input voltage and click it. We obtain the input signal with amplitude of 10 volts. We can change the stop time to suit our analysis. Right-click, and add plot pane. Click inside the new plot pane area. Activate the circuit window. Then click the output node. This is the output voltage of the positive clipper circuit. Right-click vertical axis to adjust the scale or limits. Maximize the plot window. Go to Tools, then Color Preferences. We will change the background color to white, which is suitable for creating any report. Furthermore, we can change trace color. We can also plot the input and output signals in one graph.